The OnePlus Open. Here on TMI Project 13, the reviewing process begins now. And I gotta tell you something, man. This device is just brutally beautiful. And bold. Okay, I'll throw in sexy as well. Yes. And it gets the whistle. Voyager Black. Hasselblad cameras. Protruding out. They're definitely letting you know that they are there. I got to buy some protection for that area. Got the pleather on the back. Feels like real leather. If you look at the OnePlus Open just like that, it looks like a regular smartphone. It really, really does. Oh, and by the way, there is a pre-installed screen protector. Thumbs up, OnePlus. Now, you've already seen what's in the box, right? And that's why I did the unboxing the way I did it. I was just going to open up the box, but they're giving us not just the cable, but they're giving us the wall charger as well. And the case, which, by the way, right along here, because this is pretty flimsy, there is some adhesive in there. You can probably see it right there. There was some film protecting the adhesive areas. You got from right here to right up here, and then from there down to here. That way, this area of the cover display case frame doesn't move around too much. I'm going to put it back on because I want to protect my OnePlus Open. So I'm going to press down so it doesn't move around there. There we go. I'm sure if you push hard enough, it will. But without using that adhesive that's provided for you along this part of the frame here, yeah, it'll go back and forth. So you really want to utilize the adhesive. And the case is really nice. I mean, come on, man. Seriously, it's $100 cheaper than the Google Pixel Fold and $100 cheaper than the Z Fold 5. Still expensive, but you're getting way more in the box. And I did get these OnePlus Buds Pro 2 Misty White. Yeah, wow. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. Are you freaking kidding me? Wow. I'm going to take the case back off because I wanted to show you a comparison as far as thickness with, man, it only came with 6% battery. Well, it was probably a little more, but I've been using it. I just got a warning that my battery is going to run out of its juice. So I went ahead and put it on battery saving mode. Got to make it through this video and then I'll charge it up. But definitely the OnePlus Open taller than the Google Pixel Fold. And going to be not as wide, but again, you're getting that regular smartphone look on the OnePlus Open in comparison to the Google Pixel Fold. Yeah, I really like this, man. Wow. I hate to pick this over the Google Pixel Fold, but I think I'm going to have to when it comes to the height and the width. The Google Pixel Fold definitely beat out the Z Fold 5 as far as the height and the width. But this one right here, the Open, wow. Yeah, look at that. It's just going to be super easy to utilize the cover display. Now, they're almost about the same height. The Z Fold 5 maybe just a little bit taller. Just a little bit. And it looks like the OnePlus Open is a little bit thinner. You tell me. What about the Google Pixel Fold? Let me turn it around this way. It's close. It's very, very close. Wow. Which looks better on the back? And I gotta tell you, I gotta put the OnePlus Open in the center. I gotta say, I'm sorry to my Google Pixel Fold because I'm loving the height and the width of the OnePlus Open, man. That's just wow. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say wow in this video, but wow, 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 wow. That is just fresh. All right, so I charged up my OnePlus Open to about 11% there for a few minutes. I want to show you how fast that fingerprint reader is. It's just freaking fast. Look at that. Crazy. Wow. Face unlock. So what I want to do is just do that. And boom. See that? That quick. Let's do that again. Wow. Super, super fast. And just swipe up. And as far as the inner display, when in tablet form, there's a lot going on there. I'm going to have to get used to the multitasking on my OnePlus Open. And we do not want that. So, wow. Definitely digging the OnePlus Open when it's in tablet form like that. Google Pixel Fold. And I'm loving the Google Pixel Fold when it's in tablet form. And I don't mind bezels. But I got to tell you, symmetrically, the bezels on the OnePlus Open all the way around, it's got the perfect amount of bezel. It really, really does. When it comes to the Z Fold 5, it's a really well-rounded, refined, foldable smartphone. Google Pixel Fold, it's going to get there. It's definitely going to get there. I don't know yet when it comes to the OnePlus Open. I'm going to have to use it for a while to just to see how my user experience is going to be using it day in and day out. All right, so let's test out the multitasking on the OnePlus Open. Let's go to YouTube. I'll go to audio library there. And we'll play some music here in just a moment. We'll drag up and go into X/Twitter. And then we're going to go into my app folder here. And let's go ahead and bring over MX Player Pro. So you press and hold, and this box is going to appear, and you want to drag it right in there to get that app going. And there's the first window, second window. And then we want to get to that third window so you can see those three little dots there. And that's, no, I don't want that. I want it. I'm going to have to get used to that. So if you want to expand on one of these apps, okay, I'm going to get used to it. You want to tap on that little white line there, and you're going to get that information there. So we're going to expand, and now I have YouTube here. And if I want to pull down into the other two windows there, I'm going to just do that. Okay, very nice. Go back up. Oh, that sounds good. All right, everybody, that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't, so you can follow me on this journey with the OnePlus Open. I'm excited to use and share everything that I can about this first foldable from OnePlus, the OnePlus Open. So stay tuned for a lot more. I may take a few pictures and add those in. I think I'm going to do that, just a few, and you can check those out after this part of the video. And please leave some feedback. Again, subscribe, share the videos, leave a thumbs up if you like this video. I gotta tell you, these speakers sound fantastic. All right, everybody, I'm out.